we have a special unboxing today that we bought from the sneakers app, and also we bought this with the exclusive offer that we got from the Nike sneakersapp.com. So we're gonna do the unboxing before the initial drop tomorrow. So, and also we're gonna check it out how much what we make if we're gonna flip this or resell this on the second market. So let's do the unboxing and also checking out the reinvestment. Let's go. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today is gonna have a special unboxing today because this one was released before the actual drop, and we got another offer from the Nike sneakers app, which is the exclusive offer on this sneaker. So I was so happy when I grabbed this one, and luckily I got one pair. All right, let's move on to the unboxing. As you can see, just the simple box from the Nike. Just the typical box of Air Jordan 1, the black and red. Okay, here we go. Classic. Just the typical box of the Jordan 1s. And this one, we got the Air Jordan 1, and you know it, this is the retro high OG colorway, which is the black toe colorway, or this one is the black and black Game Royal, or also known as the Royal toe. Okay, so take him out to the box. Oh, check that out. That's my size, 10 and a half, so personal collection. Oh, wow, nice. Wow, nice color combination. Wow, I thought it's just like a simple Jordan, and not bad. Check this out. I like the quality of this leather, not bad at all. It's not just the typical leather that they always put on, but hey, not bad on this one. The typical leather here on the toe box, which is the black toe, not bad. It's like it crinkles a little bit though when you push it like that. Same thing with the top toe box, which is the kind of crinkle also. Not that much soft. It's also not much that's soft right. This part is kind of silky, smooth leather, and it is also some kind of different leather here on this side, and also the shoes. It's also, there's a lot of leather that they kind of put on this one, not just one type of leather. Not bad. I like that one, because sometimes they just slap one leather and then they're gone. But anyway, what do you think on this one? Would you like to cop this one? Well, lucky you, this one would have a massive stock. So you I don't know if still you're gonna miss this one, because a lot of stores are having this stock. So I believe that you might not gonna miss it because there's a lot of stock on this one. But hey, but the thing is, because of the dominantly colors are not bad and it's all good. So mainly we got here the Black Royal colorway Air Jordan 1 Retro, sporting a full leather built with white adorn the side panel, each offset by Game Royal on the toe and ankle collar, followed by black overlays. Additional details include black and white wings logo on the ankle, black swoosh, white Nike Air branding on the tongues, black inner lining, a white rubber midsole, and more Game Royale for it rubber outsole to round out the design. So what do you think on this one? Would you cut them? Well, that's why I'm taking them as a personal collection, because mainly you can't go around the color. You pair it with any kind of attire. Not bad for the color. Hey, I said that it's gonna be a massive release on this one, and the thing is, even though there is a massive release or stock, it would be kinda a lot of reseller will go onto it to buy them because of the color, black, white, and blue, royal blue. So it might gonna have a effect if you wanna buy them. So for personal pair, so it will kinda, because especially right now what's going on, not of the other buyers have the opportunity to go onto the store, in the Footside store, like the Foot Locker, Foot Action, Finish Line, Hibbett Sport. So there would be an effect, especially if we are buying online and then we're gonna compete with bots, and it's just the way it is. These bots are like eating all these Jordan ones probably tomorrow, but hey, I would still try my luck. Probably I'm gonna get one more pair because I would definitely wear this, like massively wear it. So I'm gonna take another one for spare, just in case, you know. But anyway, hey, by the way, this one is like they call it the Jordan 1 fragments, which is like, those are so expensive. Like, let's check it out how much they are reselling now. And the Jordan 1 fragment, the size 9.5 or some more size 8, they are asking for 6,900. Wow. In size 10.5, they are selling for 4K. And some of them last sale is somewhere 3,000 sale for Jordan 1 fragment. And I would say, I call this the poor man's Jordan 1 fragments. But I would love to have this in the collection, especially I just bought them retail, so not bad. And now I'm just gonna admire the shoes for now, especially if I won't be able to get another pair. So just in case I won't be able to have another pair, and I'm just gonna wait out a little bit and wait for special occasion to wear them. But anyway, this is not bad for the collection, especially the color white and blue and black. Can't go wrong on this one. But how about if we wanted to resell them? So some of the reseller who had bots, probably they're gonna get those base size, which is the smaller size, from size 8 and below, like 5.5 to 8.5. Mostly right now the sizes from size 5 is reselling like 320, and also somewhere 8.5, 250. So check this out, size 6, 357. So I believe this one will go up the price, even though they are, right now I got the 10.5. So if I wanted to sell it now, I could sell it for 10.5. Someone is asking for 231. So if I would like to sell it now, 231, hold on, 231 170 plus 6% tax. So if I wanted to sell it now for 231, I would like making like $20 after the fees and also taxes from the initial buy cost. But I believe also this one goes up to go about 400, probably in that range. So just in case if we won't be able to buy another 10.5 tomorrow, probably go for a smaller size, which is a better size, like 5.5, 6, all the way to 8.5, and that sizes can make at least a little bit more, go to 600 possibly. But this would be a long hold if I wanted to resell this one, and gonna be a very good investment to wait out a little bit, like a year or so, to make at least somewhere 400 to 600. Even though it's gonna be the size 10.5, I would say at least 400, and the smaller size would be like somewhere 5 to 600. So what do you think? Would you cap them tomorrow, or are you gonna cap them for resale or for the collection? Well, would you like to leave a thumbs up? It's free. Okay, all right, okay, that would be all on this video. I would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a like and also comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It helps the YouTube algorithm. And with that being said, Nolasco here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Ingat po kayo. Bye bye.